it's Patty. So we just finished dinner, the kids are in bed, and I am getting ready to clean the kitchen. And I wanted to do like a few extra things tonight and clean like the appliances and the stovetop and the sink and all of that. So I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me. Since having Ella, and even when I was pregnant, I really have struggled to keep up with cleaning and just do like all the extra stuff. So I figured what better way to motivate me to get things done than to make a video and to motivate all of you guys. So I wanted to share some of the things that I used to try to do and I've kind of gotten out of doing since having Ella, and also since like being pregnant and all of that stuff, and I'm trying to get back into those good habits little by little. And I do get behind all the time on cleaning, but sometimes you just gotta push through and get it done. So it's clean with me at night, and I'm gonna try to get as much done before the baby wakes up. So I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me. I also wanted to quickly show you guys my diffuser. I love it. I think it is so beautiful. And this is also from Eden's Garden. they didn't send me their stuff or anything. I saw a few people recommend it on Instagram and I purchased some of their stuff. I feel like it's a really good brand and it seems like it's pretty good quality. So far I am happy, but I wanted to show you how pretty their diffusers are. They're really, really nice. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started cleaning. Mother-in-law also recommended to me a good way to disinfect sponges is to stick them in the dishwasher at night whenever you're going to turn on the dishwasher. So I'm going to go ahead and stick the sponges in the dishwasher and go ahead and turn it on. I went ahead and removed the top of the stove, and I'm gonna clean this. I have a paste here, and it's just half a cup of baking soda with half a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap, and then I'm gonna pour a little bit of this cleaning solution I have. I'll link the cleaning solution in the description box. It's also with the Eden's essential oils. It's one of their recipes. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit to make like a liquidy paste, and then I'm gonna let it soak on the stovetop for 10 minutes. And while this is soaking, I'm gonna clean the top racks of the oven. ahead and soak the sink. I'm supposed to have half a cup of baking soda, but I ran out of baking soda. So I'm just gonna pour what I have. So I'm gonna pour that in there, and then I'm gonna pour a cup of vinegar and let that soak. And then once it's done, I'm going to put some sweet orange essential oil and some lemon essential oil with some ice and grind it up. So this is going to soak for 10 minutes. Next step, I am going to wipe all the appliances. I really like how these stainless steel wipes clean appliances. So what I do is I use these wipes, and then it leaves a little bit of like a frost over it. So then I use a cloth to kind of go over it to take any of that like frost that it leaves on the appliances. That is it for this cleaning video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below what type of cleaning videos do you like? Do you like how this one was, where I kind of showed a few tips on things that I use and things that I'm doing? Or do you like it no talking and just like a speed clean to music? Let me know in the comments what you prefer, just so I know for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!